Ladies and gentlemen, hello. I just bought this fancy new propane burning fire pit for my side yard, and I totally jumped the gun. Several days later, it started to snow. Winter is definitely not over in mid-March. So I wanted to recommend this little fire pit cover. I bought it in the nick of time. I will put a link in the description below if you're interested. But here is what it's protecting. This beautiful fire pit, propane burning. By the way, it's serious and legit. Definitely check this out. Anyway, the cover itself has a 300D polyester and PVC coating to it. Totally waterproof and water resistant according to the description. I got this on Amazon, and I think it looks great, and it seems to be doing the job. The snow intensified in the next several hours, and there was some buildup and totally dry underneath. And fired it back up, of course, and worked like a charm. So definitely recommended. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks.